All right, we're gonna go for a fun little ride here in a Dune Buggy. Like a lot of them, this one's registered as a 1970 Volkswagen, so you don't have to deal with smog or emissions. Still has a Volkswagen chassis. It's got the Volkswagen VIN number, clean title. This is a nice one. I guess Bremen is the name of the body or something like that. Nice fiberglass, got the metal flake finish. Find the gears. Pretty cool. They're fun. Cruise around the beach or up in the mountains. It's got disc brakes up front, converted to 5-lug. Got a Chevy bolt pattern. Real cool stereo too on the roll bar behind us. I'll show you that in the pictures in a minute, but pretty neat. It shifts nice, drives good, super light, so you don't need a whole lot of power. It's got a single carburetor, single port, 1600 with a 4-speed. Keep going for that reverse. The bug eyes up there. Talking with that Stinger exhaust. Lots of fun though. I'm gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, check out this little fun buggy. A 1970 Volkswagen converted to a Dune Buggy. They shorten them up a little bit, the chassis, so the bodies fit on them. But it's got the disc brake front end. I think it's out of a Carmangia. Converted to 5-lug. That's a Chevy bolt pattern, so lots of choices for wheels, although these are super cool. I like the polished Americans, little staggered ones. But real basics, got a 1600 single port motor with a carburetor on it, and with a little choke, and just nice. I mean, plenty of power for what these are. Just putt around. Got the black plates. It's kind of cool. If you live in California, you can keep those. But smog exempt, you don't have to worry about emissions. These are really durable little bodies. This one's nice, no cracks in the gel coat or anything. The battery compartment is right there. It's got a little quick disconnect, so if you leave it parked in your place at the beach for a long time or something like that, you can disconnect the battery. Seats were redone. Nice, breathable little sport buckets. It moves too. Driver's seat goes back and forth because I had to run it up. I got little legs. But it's got this really cool stereo system. You know, it's a little over the top. It's got like different color lights that come and go. It goes with the music, but you can turn that off if you don't want to be flashy. But it's kind of cool, like you're cruising along Miami or Venice Beach and you got your tunes going, the lights going. Kind of fun. It's got the little bug eye chrome 7-inch lights up front. Of course, your fuel tank is up there. Neat looking little vehicle though. 4-speed. Disc brakes, drives good, it's got tunes, ready for some fun. Here's the power plant and little VW. Dune Buggy. It's got some chrome valve covers on there. Pretty basic little engine, easy to work on. You can tune it up yourself. Here's your spark plug wires. Spark plugs are right there on the side. Little 4-cylinder, like I said, new carburetor. I'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Should fire up without me in it. Yeah, look at that. Simple. Can't get more simpler than a Volkswagen engine. Easy to maintain, reliable. Not the fastest thing in the world, but they're fun. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. And I also have a hardtop for it too, removable hardtop. You know, I don't think I'd ever put it on, but at least you got one. Keep the sun off your head. Well, come on out and check it out if you have some time. Thanks for watching.